In this episode of BEA Conversations, we've stepped into the home kitchen of a very passionate chef in Singapore. His name is Eddy Wan. Eddy is going to teach us how to cook one of my favorite dishes, which is chicken chop and laksa spaghetti. I can smell lemongrass. Eddy is a self-taught chef with over 21 years of experience. After spending a few years cooking in hotels, Eddy became a private chef on a yacht and traveled around the world with his employer. The exposure to different cuisines and fresh produce sparked his passion for fusion cooking. So, Eddy?
Yes.
You are famous for fusion, fresh, and fast cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, you're a self-taught chef?
Chefs, yeah, always. Yes.
Okay, so why do you like cooking so much?
I love cooking. Maybe it's a passion for that because when I was young, my mom is a 小贩. I think slowly that I get influenced, inspired by my mom cooking stuff like that. So that's why that I choose go for the cooking culinary. Yep.
You started your store at Hong Lim Complex
Yes.
a couple of weeks ago.
Yes.
So this is your first hawker store experience in Singapore.
Yes.
Can you share with us your experience so far?
My Eddy's life, hawker's life right now about coming third week, I found that is interesting for me. Challenging, challenge accepted always for me. I love challenge, I love doing all this kind of business scale stuff like this, and work in the hawkers is gonna be not easy for all the young men like me, because nowadays young men like us is like we think too much. Yes. We do lesser. So to me that when the moment that I thinking that the same time that I'm doing.
And now we're gonna see how it tastes, but before that we're gonna plate it beautifully for you all. Oops, our empty tummies got ahead of us. We will come back to this part shortly, but first, let's learn how to cook this dish, starting with food prep. So you're gonna talk us through some of the prep? So teach us how to cook?
Yeah, basically it's very simple. You get from the market, okay? The boneless chicken leg that, you can get ready ones, just open by the bottom. To fry it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just go away.
Applying cuts on the chicken meat will expedite the cooking process. Season the meat on both sides with salt and pepper and add some of your favorite spices too. Marinate the chicken for a couple of hours, and when you're ready to cook, heat up the oil.
Nice and hot. Skin side down. Here we go. Look at that.
Very nice.
Here we go. Let this baby go sit about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, then you turn the other way, yeah? Okay? So look at the chicken, yes? So?
Smells yummy.
Oh yes. In about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, we turn it up. Look at that. That's what you achieve for this. The chicken chop we're gonna take about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes to cook it, okay? When usually I will look at this color. So I prefer more colors for this. It's more succulent, more char flavor for that. Turn the other way around and then let it rest for 3 minutes.
Okay.
So the chicken is ready. Okay, let's turn. Look at that. So
now the chicken is ready, let's get onto the laksa sauce. You can make your own paste by blending these ingredients. If you are using a pre-made paste, you can elevate the flavors by adding lemongrass, chili padi, and most importantly, laksa leaves. Add oil and water to turn the paste into the sauce. And now on to cooking the spaghetti. Heat olive oil and add 5 cloves of garlic. You can spice things up with a touch of fresh chili, and once the aroma fills the room, add in cooked spaghetti, followed by the laksa paste. Add water if you like more sauce, salt and pepper to balance the taste, and finally stir in fresh cream to give the sauce some body. Just to let you know again, my favorite dish from Eddy is the laksa spaghetti. I love a bit of fusion, guys. And chicken chop. I eat a lot of chicken. So, and now we're gonna see how it tastes, but before that, we're gonna plate it beautifully for y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna do a bit of tasting, which is very, very important.
Yep.
My favorite part of the day. I'm not gonna share this dish with Eddy because the way to a boy's heart, especially an Asian boy's heart, is a fusion food like this.
Yep.
Absolutely love it.
Yeah. So next week I will go to your place. Cook this.
I'll make this for you.
Yes. Why not? Oh,
Thank
everybody
you,
can
Eddy.
cook. Everyone can cook at home for 5-10 minutes. You know, super simple, super fast, super easy.
Yes.
Yeah.